Hey there, all you middlemen. Throw away all your colorful clothes, 'cause Kenny ain't pimpin' no grayscale for half a century, as everybody knows. 'Cause rock and roll ain't no riddle, man. And to me, it makes good sense. Good sense. Let's go. Heavy decibels are playing on my guitar. We got vibrations coming through the floor. We're just listening to rock that's giving too much noise. Are you deaf? You wanna hear some more? We're just talking about the future. Forget about the past. It'll always be with us, and it's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't no pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Yes, it will. I took a look inside your bedroom door, and you were organizing all your drawers. Well, I asked you if you wanted any help folding. You said, I wanna rock and roll instead. We're just talking about the future. Forget about the past. It'll always be with us, and it's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll, it ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and